select this line here and this line here and make them concentric. Select this surface here and this surface here and make them coincident. The next thing to do is to select this handle, select edit component, select go to handle, click on the arrow here and select top plane. Sketch, select the center line, from this point to here, select circle on this point here, select smart dimension, and as we can see from the datasheet here, it is 8 millimeters. 8. Enter. And this line is 17. 17. Enter. Features: Extruded Boss. From blind to through or both. OK. Finish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial, which is gonna be the rod thread. Save your document. See you in the next tutorial.